This video is going to describe the days function and the YEARFRAC function. Now, the days function calculates the number of days between two dates, where the most recent date is entered as the end date argument and the older date is entered in the start argument. So I'm going to go ahead and start here, and I'm going to insert my function, and I'm going to look for the days function and click go. It finds it in a list, and I'm going to open it up. So my end date is the most recent date. So I'm going to put B2 as the most recent date in there. My start date is the older of the dates, and I'm going to go ahead and put B1. When I click OK, you can see that there are 29 days between the September 30th and September the 1st. Now, I can repeat that over here between these two dates. Again, I'll pick the end date first, which is June 30th. The start date is the older date, which is January 1st, 2015. And between these two dates, there are 1,276 days. Now, the YEARFRAC is short for fraction. It's going to calculate a fraction of a year between two dates based on whole days, starting with the start and end date. So the way the YEARFRAC works, let's go ahead and pull it up. You start with this. The start date is going to be the older date in this example. So you start with B1, and the end date is the most recent date. And we go ahead and click OK. And you can see that we can then format that to percent with two decimals, and it's approximately 8% of a year. If I now calculate the year fraction between these two dates, the start date is the older date in this example, the end date is the most recent date, and you can see that it's 3.5 years. So if I just, okay, that ends the days and YEARFRACs. Now, for YEARFRAC function. Remember, it's days with a S. In a moment, another video is going to talk about the day function.